Ever wonder how one of the world's best-selling compact cars evolved from a decent survivor to a five-star safety beast? We're diving into the crash test history of every Ford Focus generation. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a crash test, safety breakdown, or car comparison. Starting with the first-generation MK1 Ford Focus. When Euro NCAP tested it in 1999, it earned a respectable 4 stars overall. Pretty good for a late 90s compact. Adult occupant protection came in at around 71%, with a sturdy frontal structure that absorbed energy decently in the offset crash. However, side impact protection was only average, higher chest loads on dummies, pedestrian safety scored a weak 2 stars, and child protection got 3 out of 4. It wasn't perfect, but the Focus MK1 beat most competitors of its time and introduced Europeans to a fun, safe-ish daily driver. Next, the second-generation MK2 marked a huge safety leap. Euro NCAP in 2004 awarded it a full 5 stars, one of the first compacts to achieve that. Adult protection jumped to 88%, child occupant to 82%, and even pedestrian safety improved slightly, still 2 stars. The body shell became significantly stiffer, with better crumple zones that kept intrusion low in frontal offset and side barrier tests. Dummies showed much lower injury risks, especially to the head and chest. This gen really turned the Focus into a safety benchmark. Then came the third-generation MK3, which pushed things even further. Euro NCAP tested the 2012 model under updated protocols and gave it 5 stars again. An impressive 92% for adult occupant, 82% for child, 72% for pedestrian, and 71% for safety assist features like standard ESC. It excelled in the challenging side pole impact and later, small overlap frontal tests, after IIHS pressure led to reinforcements. The cabin stayed incredibly rigid with minimal dummy injury readings. NHTSA rated US models 5 stars overall, including top marks across frontal, side, and rollover categories. Finally, the current 4th-generation MK4. Tested by Euro NCAP in 2019 under much stricter rules, including advanced AEB and cyclist detection, it still pulled off 5 stars, 85% adult occupant, a strong 87% child protection, 72% vulnerable road users, and 75% safety assist thanks to Copilot 360 tech. The structure is ultra-rigid and high-speed offsets. Hybrids keep the battery pack safe and sealed, and active systems help avoid or mitigate crashes. NHTSA continues to award 5 stars across every category. Which Focus generation shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash! Like if this helped you decide on a used one, and subscribe for more epic crash test breakdowns.